Guys, I got the key. I repeat, I got the Commander Walt. No, wait. What?
You. What are you? Tom! Tom, what happened? Speak to me, come on. It's gonna be okay. Please get up. Come on, please wake up. Wake up, come on. Wake up.
What did you do? What I had to.
Where is the Master Emerald?
Your heart is being consumed by anger, Hedgehog. You are in no condition to make decisions right now.
Last chance. Where is it?
Don't do this. Those were the last words he spoke to me. I never saw him again.
We both lost everything that day.
Go ahead. Finish it. What are you waiting for? Do it. I'm right here.
All about the choices we make. As long as you remember to listen to your heart, you're gonna make the right choice when it matters most.
Nothing but the truth now.
This is not who I am.
What are you doing? You won. Take your revenge.
There are no winners with revenge.
Nothing but the proof of what I am.
This is who I am inside.
The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars. So we're not heroes, we're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters, no lying, I'm tired. But dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undisputed, this is what it sounds like.
I miss your lattes with steamed Austrian goat milk. I love the way you make them. This is our last chance to do the right thing.
My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside
sacrifice themselves to save everyone.
You always have a choice. Guys, I'm really sorry for running off like that. I shouldn't have left you behind. The truth is, you're the best teammates a Hedgehog could ever ask for. And the best friends. Can you ever forgive me?
Team Sonic?
How about just team?
Rhea, this is what you wanted, right? This is my promise I made to you.